better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Bonjour tout le monde, hello everyone and welcome to our final Paris vlog. The sun has come out for us today, which is the perfect day really for it to come out because we are doing our Eiffel Tower tour today.
Before that we're gonna go to Champs-Élysées and have a look at the Arc du Triomphe and probably eat around that area.
And actually before that, what are we doing before that?
Oh, we're going to the boulangerie. I mean for me I'm gonna get pain au chocolat.
Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna get a pain au chocolat as well. So yeah, today we've got a busy, lovely last day. So let's go!
Because the moment you have a situation where you are really in control of things, that is to say, in which the future is almost completely predictable.
Guys, that was so lovely. Eating our little pastry in front of the beautiful Eiffel Tower. I just literally can't get over the fact the sun has literally come out for us on our last day. We are coming back later to do the Eiffel Tower tour, as we mentioned. We've got that in the afternoon. But for now, we're heading to Champs-Élysées and we're going to see the Arc du Triomphe and all that kind of stuff. Stay tuned for more Eiffel Tower content coming later. But for now, yeah, we're heading to Champs-Élysées and we're going to take you there. Okay guys, we are on the Avenue de Champs-Élysées. I don't know if you guys can see there. There's Louis Vuitton and there's Dior. And we've just passed like Rolex and all that kind of stuff.
We're about to walk past Fouquet's. Fouquet's is a restaurant where all the big celebrities in France will go to.
Oh really?
Yeah, one of the most famous places.
This place here, yeah? The red?
Yeah, Fouquet's, yeah. Even the president will come and have meetings and stuff like that.
Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can see, just in the distance there is the Arc du Triomphe. So we're nearly there. Wow guys, it's actually huge. I knew it was going to be big, but I've only ever seen it in pictures and it's just huge. Okay, we're currently inside and we're in a queue because we think we're gonna go up. Because the weather's nice, we should get a good view, so I think we might go up. For anyone who might be interested, there's the prices there. So it's €13 for a single person, but they do like group deals and stuff as well. So there's the prices. So we are gonna go
to the top.
Let's do it. Wow, guys. Oh, how nice is this weather?
So good, yeah.
Okay, here we go. We're going in. We're going in. We're going up, guys. I don't know if you can see how thin and windy these stairs are right now. Oh gosh, I don't think I'm prepared for this. How you doing? Luckily, for the Eiffel Tower later, we paid for the lift. Hi guys, so you know what time it is now, so we already pre-booked our tickets, so I've got them here, and the entrance is just here to my right. So let's do it. I'm so excited, guys. So we just came through security, and it's actually worth mentioning that it is free to come into the Eiffel Tower and just do the bottom level, so just the gardens and the floor level, which is where we are now. So if you guys do want to do that and you don't want to pay to go to the top, you do still have an option of coming a bit closer to the Eiffel Tower and seeing what's here. So as you can see, we're now right underneath it, and there's some gardens here and a few cafes and stuff. So no one checked tickets or anything to get in here. They just do your bag check at security. So what we've obviously paid for is then to get in a lift and go all the way to the top. Also, guys, definitely worth doing what we did and pre-booking your tickets, because I don't know if you can see this queue here. It's super long and it goes all the way to there, and that's to buy tickets. So you should definitely come and get them beforehand. Okay, we took a lift to the second floor. So as you can see at the moment, we are halfway up, but we have tickets for the sommet, which is the top. So we're just queuing to get in another lift, which is going to take us to the top. But so far, the views are already amazing. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Towers in the world and how they compare to the Eiffel Tower. That's 320
Oh, that's so
meters.
clever.
So you see how it's taller than all of those. Then it goes all the way around like that, and there's all the examples of different towers.
You've got loads of towers in France, haven't you? I'm seeing like Marseille was over there, you've got Lyon here, Rome! Wow.
That's the Colosseum. Where we were actually.
We were there, yeah.
We've got a video there.
Guys, we didn't actually realise we can go up even further. So let's do it. Oh wow, it's outdoor, I can feel the cold.
Hey guys, Eiffel Tower with the view.
It's amazing, isn't it? We were just saying, we've done like 4 different countries now, haven't we, of different like skyscrapers or buildings with views, yeah.
Yeah, we've done Rockefeller in New York, Shard in London, Burj Khalifa in Dubai.
And now Eiffel Tower in
Most
Paris.
of them are on the YouTube channel actually.
Yeah. So for the summit, when you go to the top, you've got this little section here with all the windows. So you'll come out of a lift just there, and then there's actually stairs to go up, and then that's where you get to the bit where we just went completely outdoor. So those are your 2 options. We are unfortunately heading back to our hotel now. We're very sad. We really don't want to leave, especially because we're leaving beautiful weather.
Especially because we're going back to the UK.
Yeah, there's definitely that too. We've had the most amazing day. To be honest, this is the day we wanted to have the best weather, because obviously doing the Eiffel Tower with beautiful weather just makes it. And there was amazing views from the Arc du Triomphe as well, wasn't there?
It was quite fun because we saw the Eiffel Tower from the top of the Arc du Triomphe, and then all the view, and then we went to top of the Eiffel Tower and saw
the Arc du Triomphe. So what we're going to do now is go to a Monoprix, which is like similar to like a Carrefour type thing, just to get a few French snacks, a few Haribo that we don't have in the UK, like all that kind of stuff. Then go to our hotel, grab our suitcase, and then it's time to go. No. So I guess this is where we should end today's video. We're just heading back to our hotel now. Oh, wait for the motorbike. So thank you so much for watching, guys. To be honest, I think this might have been my favourite vlog. I don't know, because we did some awesome stuff on the other vlogs as well, so definitely go and check those. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and also hit that red subscribe button down below so you can catch up with the rest of my videos. And leave any comments. If you've got any questions or anything you want to comment, please do leave those down below. I always get back to you guys.
Any destinations we need to visit.
Exactly, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir, bye.